Bert and Cap. Episode 67. Running. Kip picked up his beach towel.
Kip picked up his beach towel. He went outside.
He went outside.
Good morning, Bert.
Good morning, Bert, said Kip. I'm going to the beach.
Do you want
Do you want to come?
I can't go.
I can't go now, said Bert. I'm going to look for worms.
I'll meet you at the beach.
I'll meet you at the beach later.
Okay.
Said
Okay, said Kip.
I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.
Kip went down the tree.
Kip went down the tree.
He headed toward the
He headed toward the beach.
beach. A woman ran by.
A woman ran by.
A man
The-
ran by.
Then a man ran by.
A few more people ran.
A few more people ran by.
Kip started to run
Kip
too.
started to run too.
This is fun.
This is fun, he thought.
I like running.
I like running.
Kip
Kip
ran into a man
almost ran into a man.
carrying a
The man was carrying a small sign.
He put the sign in the grass.
He put the sign in the grass.
Kip read the
Kip
sign.
read the sign.
Big race.
Big race tomorrow morning.
All runners.
All runners are welcome.
Kip gasped.
Kip gasped. A big race.
A big race. That sounds
That sounds like fun.